What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to create a ringtone just by using iTunes. This is pretty much for people who own an iPhone and have an Apple computer, and instead of buying ringtones, or you can't get the ringtone that you want, it's not the right song that you want, well, you can just use iTunes to create the ringtone for free. So, I mean, what better than that? Okay, so I'm going to create a ringtone and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You pick the song. I'm picking this one. Now, as the song goes on, you listen to it, you get the best part. I'm just going to start at 112, beginning of the song, and then finish at 40 seconds later. But I'm just going to finish it at 138 because after that it's just pretty much whack. So I'm gonna go to get info, check these two boxes, do 112, and then just do 138. Hit OK. Then you right click and you want to create AAC version. Once that's done, you're gonna drag it over to your desktop. You're going to delete this one because you don't want iTunes to recognize it anymore. You don't need it. Then what you want to do after that, before you forget, go back to it and uncheck these two. Then you want to change the extension file to M4R. Once you're done, you just drag it to your library. And then guess what, guys? It's here. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. You got it. There's nothing else to it. Once you're done, just move that to trash. I'm sure you have in your iTunes folder, and you're good to go. You can just sync to your phone, and you can choose the ringtone for any contacts you want. Any questions, any concerns, drop a comment. Besides that, peace.